Hello, algebra or math in action students, I should say. Welcome to today's lesson. For today's lesson, I'm just going to do a brief overview and then I'll let you get to it. So what you're going to do is on this form that I've shared, it's do I need to file a tax return notes? You're going to complete numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. So just 1 through 4 is going to be your homework for tonight. So just to kind of look through it. On number 1, it says write your response to the questions and share what you wrote with your classmates or partner. Well, obviously can't share, but you're going to share with me. So you're going to go ahead and type right below this, write your answer. Please, if you could, write in a different color than black so I can see your answers. That would be helpful. You can change the font color right up on the top here, right here. It looks like change it to something else. So it says, if you made the rules, how much money do you think someone should make before they have to pay income taxes? Explain your reasoning. So please don't just give me a number, explain why you picked that number, and please write in complete sentences. So part 2 says, how do you know if you have to file a tax return? Watch this video to learn about the factors that determine if you have to file, then answer the questions. So I want you to click on this link, and whenever something's blue, it's probably a link to something. Click on it, it should bring you to a video, and watch the video. It says the 4 requirements used to determine if you have to file a tax return are listed below. Fill out the information for yourself next to each requirement if you know it. If you do not know it, write need more information. So you should be able to put your age. Hopefully you'll be able to write your filing status, your dependency status. Can somebody claim you as a dependent on their tax return? And write down your annual gross income. Again, this is just your information. Then you'll answer these questions 2 and 3. 3 is pretty slick. It's just a true or false question, so that should go pretty fast. For part 3, it says, in the previous video, you found out that dependency status impacts how you file a tax return. Read this article starting from paragraph 3, first and foremost, and stop once you finish reading about the rules for claiming children, then answer the following questions. So if you open this link, there will bring you to an article, and you are going to read, looks like the first 3 paragraphs, so not very much. And then you're going to answer these questions. In your own words, explain what a dependent is. Can someone claim you as a dependent? If so, who? Go back to question 1 from resource 2 and update your answer if you need to for your dependency status, if you said you didn't know up at the beginning. Then it says, Jesse is a full-time college student and is 20 years old. Can he be claimed as a dependent? Explain. So you'll have to say yes or no, and again, make sure you do this explaining part. Next one is updated tax figures. It says, now that you know if you can be claimed as a dependent or not, let's see what the income requirements are to file a tax return. Read through the slide that breaks the income requirements down based on your dependency status, filing status, and age. It says, using these requirements, you need to file a tax return this year. Why or why not? I want my screen. Oh, there it is back. So then you'd answer that one. I please ask, this assignment isn't super long, that you be genuine with your answers and write more than just the bare minimum here. Please explain everything and just be thorough in what you're doing. So once you're done with this video, you can go ahead and open up this document on Google Classroom. Fill out questions 1 through 4. When you're done, just exit out of it and hit turn in on Classroom, and that is your assignment for today. Hopefully everything goes well. As always, if you have questions, email me at storeandflip@gmail.com. Thanks and have a great day.